So Lindsay, what are you up to?
Laundry.
Laundry? Oh no!
Yeah, it's really difficult on
You
here.
shouldn't be doing laundry on a holiday.
You shouldn't really, but because of our status, our elite status, we get free laundry on here. So we thought that we'd keep things topped up. So this is the first lot to go. So what you do first of all is identify what you want to go to the laundry.
Yes.
And then you fill out the form, which is very explicit. You've got details down here as to what you want washed and cleaned and pressed. It's quite concise, and it gives you the option to have starch or no starch, any special instructions, and the subtotal. Well, there is obviously a charge for this because anybody can get this done as just ordinary laundry.
So how much have we saved?
Oh, 15, 24, about £25 dollars.
$25. And this won't be the last.
No, this won't be the last, but we've done this interim, so we just pop that into there, and I go and see my lovely cabin steward.
Yes.
And he then deals with it, and it'll come back in a couple of days, and we'll see what happens with it coming back.
Lovely. Good service.
It's a brilliant service. Yeah.
So Lindsay, what have you got?
Nice surprise. We got all our laundry back.
Oh, when did you manage all that and so quickly and beautifully?
Beautifully ironed.
Ironed them?
Yes, I know. Very good, isn't it? This was the laundry that we sent off through our elite status, and less than 48 hours later, it was back and already hung into our wardrobe. So this is nice. We'll use as little as this as we can.
Oh.
Well, it can go straight into the suitcase eventually, can't it?
No, well, that's why it was washed, so we could wear it again, because I didn't pack as many clothes.
Oh.
Because we knew we had this facility.
That's right, we can do that. And we can do that again, because they've left us another laundry bag as well.
Yeah, I know. So what are you doing now, Lind?
I'm unpacking.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't have to put this into the wash bin, because this is the laundry that was done on board. And I'm just going to take that out. I know it's a bit creased, but I'm going to take that out and put it straight in the wardrobes.
That's the way to go cruising.
Mm-hmm.
What have you got now? More?
Yeah, this was some of the other laundry that we had done.
Oh, wow.
Love it.
Thank you, Princess.
Yay.
There is, of course, another way. On most of the passenger decks you'll find a laundry that you can use yourself, whether it's a full wash and dry or maybe just a quick press on something to get out those wrinkles. The facilities are there for you to use. Each laundromat is equipped with washers, dryers, irons and ironing boards, not forgetting a kitchen sink as well. Oh, and a television. I'll leave you now in Lindsay's capable hands as she takes you through the process. So Lindsay, what are you going to show us?
I'm going to try and show you how to get your tokens.
Yes.
For the washing machines.
Okay.
So it's very simple, touch screen, English or any other language, and you hope it's going to come up. And then you decide what you want to buy. The washing cycle, the drying cycle, or a vended product, which is the washing powders and things there.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Very nice. So I'll come back over to you.
So you push.
So what are you buying?
I'm having one of them.
Yeah.
One of them. So that's for the washer or dryer.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I'm having two. One for washer and one for dryer.
For dryer.
So there's two. So that's $6. Purchase now. Touch the medallion on there.
Processing. Oh!
And you get 2 tokens.
Oh, I see.
Right?
And then what you do?
Well, you take your washing.
Yeah.
And you put it into it's the washing machine, isn't it? Big tub.
Washing machine. Well, it's huge. You could get a lot of knickers in there, couldn't you?
Yes, you could. So that's where it goes. Your token goes in there.
In the slot.
And you push it in.
Yeah.
Then you set whichever heat you want. To be honest, I just leave it on normal. and that's it. Just set it going.
Right. And then how long does it take?
There is a sign here, and most of the laundrettes will have this. So the washer is 30 to 35 minutes, and the dryer is 40 to 45.
Oh, I see. So you put your washing on, then you go and have a drink or go back to the cabin, and then come back half an hour later.
And then you just take it from the washer, put it into the dryer.
Yeah.
That's another washer there.
Yeah.
You put it into the dryer, which is not in use, I don't think. And that goes in there.
That's huge as well.
That's huge as well.
And then I guess you put your...
You put it on normal. You've got to set various settings, but I put it on normal and push the button. Came back 3/4 of an hour later.
After...
Yeah, it's the same
put your money in the token.
Same principle. You put your token in and then set it running.
And then 40 to 45 minutes later, you come back and it's all done.
Yeah.
Or has somebody taken it out and thrown it on the floor?
No, I haven't had that issue.
Oh, okay. Because I know it has happened on some cruise lines.
Yes, it has. And you have got ironing boards at the end. 3 ironing boards.
Yeah.
And I think I haven't actually used these, but
I have.
but they're on timers.
So yes, you just set the timer and use the iron. Unfortunately, I think a couple have been removed because they're faulty.
This is something I haven't seen in most laundrettes. Not that I've been in that many.
What, a sink?
It's a sink for hand washing.
Oh, I see.
So you could hand wash stuff if you wished, and then put it into the dryer.
Okay, but wouldn't you normally do your hand washing for your smalls in your cabin?
But it might not be smalls, it might be some other delicate stuff that you want to hand wash.
We hope you found these little tips helpful. If there's anything you'd like to ask about other facilities on the ship, please ask in the comments below.